Welcome to Sikho.ai. Introducing DIY precision analog clocks, crafting timepieces with perfect seconds. Learn the art and science of analog horology to construct your own highly accurate clocks, mastering both quartz and mechanical mechanisms for perfect seconds timing. Here's what you'll master in this course. Module 1. Fundamentals of Analog Horology and Quartz Movements. Module 2. Exploring Mechanical Clock Mechanisms. Module 3. Achieving and Presenting Perfect Seconds Timing. Every module is packed with interactive lessons, hands-on exercises, and AI-powered guidance that adapts to your learning style. Whether you're just starting out or leveling up your expertise, this course will transform the way you learn. Your journey starts now. Head to Sikho.ai and start learning today.